Welcome to Soulful Kitchen, where we explore beautiful kitchen designs that inspire your heart and home. Today, we're diving into a sophisticated Peninsula kitchen, inspired by Nate Berkus's subtle urban elegance. Get ready to discover how warmth, refinement, and thoughtful details can transform even the tiniest spaces into something truly special. This sophisticated Peninsula kitchen offers a cozy feel despite its tiny urban space. With warm walnut cabinetry and marble countertops, it blends classic elegance and subtle charm. Brass accents and soft lighting enrich every corner, creating a timeless ambience perfect for relaxed, refined living that feels both inviting and stylish. The rich espresso wood cabinets paired with pale quartz countertops create a soothing palette. The minimalist brass pulls and white subway tile backsplash add a touch of urban sophistication. Small ceramic vases with dried pampas grass bring softness, making this compact kitchen feel fresh and comfortably luxurious, ideal for peaceful morning moments. Creamy shaker-style cabinets and charcoal concrete countertops balance warmth and modernity. Antique brass knobs and subtle greenery bring nature indoors, enhancing the space's understated charm. The taupe walls and black pendant lighting complete a refined look that feels effortlessly elegant, while still perfectly suited to a small, intimate kitchen nook. Natural walnut cabinetry with cream quartz countertops creates a crisp, welcoming environment in this tiny kitchen. Matte black hardware, brushed gold fixtures, and a softly textured tile backsplash subtly elevate the space. Carefully placed vintage ceramics evoke a sense of heritage and calm that aligns beautifully with the urban elegance theme. Soft cream cabinetry and taupe marble countertops form a tranquil base, enhanced by aged brass handles. Ambient LED lighting highlights textures, while textured warm stone tiles add depth. Small sculptural ceramics and well-placed decor accents give this compact space a harmonious, sophisticated vibe ideal for quiet urban living. The matte walnut cabinets with cool gray soapstone counters define modern elegance in this tiny kitchen. Polished brass pulls and a concrete backsplash with soft texture add subtle contrast. Muted botanical prints and creamy walls complete the look, balancing urban refinement with warmth for an inviting and stylish corner. Mocha shaker cabinets meet white marble counters with gentle veining to create subtle luxury. Antique brass hardware and muted taupe tiles enhance the refined ambience. Warm LEDs and terracotta succulents soften the aesthetic, making this compact space simultaneously sophisticated and comfortably cozy, perfect for thoughtful cooking moments. Warm caramel wood cabinetry paired with soft white quartz countertops exudes approachable elegance. Brushed gold handles and beige tiled backsplash add depth, while tiny urban greenery and natural fiber accents soften the compact kitchen. This design radiates understated luxury with a calm, welcoming spirit tailored to small spaces. Pale oak cabinetry and cool granite countertops offer a fresh yet timeless look. Classic aged brass knobs and light taupe ceramic tiles bring texture and warmth. Minimalist wood shelves with small plants create an organic feel that enhances the balanced, earthy palette best suited for intimate, elegant urban kitchens. Dark espresso wood with matte finish contrasts beautifully with cream quartz counters. Brushed brass pulls and taupe stone backsplash provide subtle, warm sophistication. Clusters of thyme and rosemary in white pots add natural fragrance and charm, making the small kitchen feel lush, inviting, and designed for mindful urban living. Natural walnut flat panel cabinets meet light gray marble countertops in this refined tiny kitchen. Matte brass hardware and beige linear tile backsplash enhance minimalist aesthetic. Succulent clusters in ceramic pots bring life and softness, while ambient lighting creates a warm, comfortable atmosphere perfect for compact urban elegance. Soft cream cabinetry and textured beige quartz counters evoke subtle warmth. Brushed gold hardware and neutral earth tone stone backsplash offer refined detail. Dried botanical ceramic vases and linen window coverings add natural texture, resulting in a compact kitchen that feels calm, elegant, and uniquely inviting. Espresso wood cabinets paired with muted gray marble counters showcase timeless refinement. Classic brass handles and honey beige ceramic tiles create warmth. Natural fiber baskets with dried grasses impart texture and softness, making this small kitchen feel both luxurious and comfortably lived in with thoughtful urban style. Natural walnut cabinetry and creamy quartz countertops offer a serene backdrop in this compact kitchen. Muted brass pulls and beige terrazzo backsplash deliver delicate elegance. Black metal pendant lights and terracotta pots with soft green foliage complete the scene, creating an urban oasis that's cozy, sophisticated, and perfectly scaled. This Nate Berkus-inspired Peninsula kitchen proves that small spaces can radiate sophistication through warm wood tones, elegant marble, and brass accents. Every detail matters when creating urban elegance. If you love these ideas, please like this video, subscribe to Soulful Kitchen, and share your favorite design element in the comments below.